I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie. And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. What is the name of this? I totally forgot.
We're making a salad.
Apple pecan walnut. And it's amazing.
You said apple pecan walnut. Sorry.
We're doing it with walnuts.
Yes.
So that's what we're doing today. So
we're gonna start with, we already pre-washed our lettuce, so I'm going to just start chopping that for the start of our salad. So get whatever salad you want, lettuce you want.
you can do it the long way. You take the whole stack.
Okay.
No.
Okay, that did make sense. I do it like that at home. I don't know why. Maybe the camera scares me. Makes me do it less, but
okay.
Yes. And so
I like to chop. I don't tear my salad. I prefer pieces that I can actually manage in my mouth. And with my fork.
That is true.
Do you the same way?
I usually chop it, yeah. Do you think that's enough or do you want more?
No, that's plenty. It's just for you and me. The next thing I'm going to be doing is making the dressing. This is a homemade dressing and I love this one because it's pretty simple and you can add like Dijon or you could add honey and change it up if you want. So I don't know, I think you do that too, don't you?
Yeah, oh yeah, we've had this since we were young. Actually, my mom used to always do this. Do you want me to, I know we don't want to do multiple things, but I was going to chop some onion just so that we can have it ready.
Okay,
can I cut that?
You go ahead.
I'll
do
just
that.
start by chopping the onion for the salad when you get the dressing ready.
All right. So first of all, you can either use a fresh clove of garlic, or you can use our Thrive garlic, which is nice. It's freeze dried. So I put probably, I would say probably half of a teaspoon. But again, it's if you really like garlic, then go at it, right? So I'm just using the back of the spoon to actually crush, so the pieces are more, some are in powder form and some are in chunks, and I like it that way.
You know, I don't even remember when the last time I've chopped an onion was. I was trying to think, I'm like, I forgot how to chop an onion, but we want slices, right?
Yes.
Slices look pretty.
Now, if you're going to be using real fresh garlic, then you can press it with a garlic press, and then just place it, and then add your salt and pepper in with it.
I love our Thrive garlic. Like I could totally smell that.
Yeah, it's amazing. All right, and I'm going to make some so we have it for later as well. But this is easier to shake once all the ingredients are in. So I'm going to push this off to the side. All right, then I'm going to be adding some oil. You can use grapeseed oil, you can use avocado oil. I prefer those for my dressings. So I'm going to be putting some of that in there. And again, like I said, the recipe will be listed below. Then some balsamic vinegar. I love balsamic vinegar. That is one of my favorites. And so I'm putting that in as well.
I've even done that with red wine vinegar too, and that actually is really good too. The sweetness of the balsamic is good, but red wine works really good here too.
And then I have some honey that I'm going to place in here. And then we're going to shake it up. All right, so pretty simple. Oh, I think I've got some.
That would not be good to have that one backwards.
And it's
I'll be wearing that one.
All right, so I'm just shaking it up and I'm going to let it sit for a little while because the honey has to dissolve, and it will in the oil and the balsamic. Okay, so are you messy?
You look messier than I am.
I'm really messy here. Okay.
Shake, shake, shake. And I'll add the onions to the salad. Are you dying to make it look pretty?
You're doing a fine job.
I feel like making one big pile in the middle just to drive you crazy. It's like a Blake thing.
Okay, I've got some walnuts here. They're not pecans, they're walnuts. You can actually put pecans if you like, but I'm just gonna crush them with my rolling pin.
These are good when they're candied too.
Yes, or toasted.
We didn't do that, but we like them just like this. We like them crushed, not powdered.
Okay. Should I put them all, or how about you put them on?
Okay.
Okay, you do it.
Okay. Do you want me to do it? Powdered for
Okay,
you.
you do it. Okay. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually grab some of our freeze-dried
Oh yes.
berries. The cranberries are really nice. I love the cranberries. And I'll be right back.
Okay. I will continue on. This is such a pretty salad. It really is. Okay. Wow, that was not pretty.
That still looks very nice.
Okay.
Okay, and then we've got some apples. Ooh, these apples are,
These are special.
oh, they are special.
Why?
Why are they?
Because these are only, it was a one-time deal, and only consultants were able to get these. Do you want to break them up?
Yeah.
Because they're cinnamon apples. Oh, these are like so good.
I love them so much, and I think everybody does, that I think we're going to give them back. That's my opinion.
I agree.
So, and then we have some goat cheese, and these are in little pebble form. They're like little,
Probably. I like it that way because usually I get the block of the goat cheese, and then it's like you have to squeeze it out of the tube, and it's not so nice looking.
there you go.
Like smearing it all over your fingers. You could do other cheeses too. You could do feta cheese or Gruyere cheese, or how do I say Gruyere?
Where?
There's another cheese. You can put whatever cheese you want. We like it with goat though. Goat though.
Like, you're silly today. Okay, so there's our dressing, and it's probably ready to put on the top. That looks delicious.
Oh, and remember, it just came to my mind. Remember to share, oh not share, you could share it if you want. Subscribe to our channel. We always come out with new recipes and ideas. So make sure to like that little thumbs up
And don't forget to hit the notification bell, because that will notify you of the next time we post a new video. And we're going to be doing that quite often. As you can see, we've got lots of videos below, so please watch and enjoy.
And you can learn about each one of our Thrive items.
So, thank you for joining us.
Are we doing the...
Thank you for joining us.
Remember.
Oh,
Sorry.
remember what?
Remember to share, like, and follow.
No,
we
you
don't
can
say
do
that.
this too.
You can do this too. That's it.
We forgot that.
Okay, let's. Remember,
You can do this too.